We engaged Linear for the design and the build because we'd gone through quite a protracted process on a design-only basis with an architect and engaged with a number of contractors. And we didn't get the result that we were after. And it became evident really quickly that lumping the design and build together sort of short-circuited a number of inefficiencies in a conventional process. Oh, absolutely. We were very happy with the advice from Linear. Probably one point that really comes forth is at the very initial design phase, the advice around what we could do within budget and really a design that met Mary Lou and I's must-haves was exceptional. We didn't get that from any other design party that we had engaged prior to this. And to have that advice that then flowed through in terms of, I guess, around constructability, the constructability of the advice was really exceptional. The design and planning process was really good in that Mary Lou and I had every opportunity to input and refine all of the design aspects. And also get some really good value for money out of the design process. And the communication process during the approval stage and the construction phase was exceptional. We knew exactly what was happening day and week ahead. Probably the standout feature for us in the process was the ability of Linear to actually come up with a design that met all of our functional needs, still stayed within the character of the home and actually landed bang on with our price budget from day one. So the conventional engage an architect for design and then go to the market for construction did not work for Mary Lou and I in our situation. We went down that road and timeframes, budgets and interfaces were just really difficult to manage. I would recommend to anyone that to get a builder on board right up front in the design process. That worked really well for us with Linear. Linear managed all of the design, architectural, engineering, all the council approvals process. It landed us with an outcome that required little effort and stress from Mary Lou and I's perspective. I firmly believe we achieved our outcome a lot quicker than otherwise doing a conventional process. And we also firmly believe that the cost and value for money that we got out of that turnkey design and construct process was far better than what we would have achieved through a conventional process. Mary Lou and I would have no hesitation in recommending Linear Design and Construct to anyone that's embarking on a little bit of a complex renovation, and the design and construct process that we went through with Linear landed on all of our expectations, and we're really happy with the outcome.